Hey, I'm Adam with Adam's Welding. Today I was going to show you how to weld casters. I ended up losing most of my footage, so today I'll just show you the footage I have remaining. In a future video I'll revisit this topic in a lot further detail. But without further ado, let's get to the video. Now, an easy tip for welding casters is you don't weld all the way around. All you really need is from about there to there, from there to that edge, there to there, and on the back side from there to the edge. So I'm going to weld that, and I'll come back and show you how that looks. So if you like this video, like, comment, and subscribe for more videos just like it. And remember, click that little bell icon so you get notifications when I post them.